This is Cars 295 here. Welcome back to another vlog with your host Ethan. Today, by the title of this video, we're outside right now. My sister's boyfriend is playing as a dinosaur. So everybody, watch this. Oh! We outside vlogging. Look at this dinosaur. Anyways, everybody, this is my sister, my mother.
My car's getting attacked by a dinosaur.
This is my mother. Say hello to the vlog.
Hi, vlog, what?
My channel.
Everybody drives by.
Shall we go for a walk? I need to find somebody so I can upward. Yeah! I really want someone to come over here and you just wave to them, and then when they're not looking, just go like. Yeah, this is funny. This is typically what we're gonna do in a coronavirus situation. I charged my towel. That was a terrible idea. So anybody, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel, like, subscribe to this channel, and make sure to add me on Facebook, make sure to add me on Twitter, Messenger, Google Hangouts, and this is everything we all do. I'm gonna rip that for lease sign out. Anyways, I got another video coming up. We're gonna be testing these planes to see if they get destroyed. Because I want to see. He's still going over. Oh, here comes a car. Uh-oh. Day in the life of the dinosaur. I got the honk too. Anyways, that is my sister over there. Say hello. You're on your vlog. We're vlogging.
Are we vlogging or
We're vlogging.
with a V?
Yeah, with a V. That truck driver just gave him the weirdest look. What if the cops come? What if the cops come? I really want someone else to come. Also, it is like 10 degrees out, and I'm not even freezing, so. My mother's laughing over there because I'm vlogging. I keep an eye out for cars, and if I see a car, just go wave.
We're walking down the street.
Oh my god, do it!
Your mom's coming too.
I want to walk down the street, I'll vlog the whole thing.
Hey, let's go.
Oh, car! The guy was just like, what the hell was that? That guy was like, what the fuck was that? Anyways, if you don't know who's in the dinosaur, that is Nick. He was going to be in the video, but I deleted it because the quality wasn't that good. Now he's playing basketball, as you can see. There comes the dinosaur. Oh, someone's coming from the park. Someone's coming from the park over there. Someone's coming from the park.
Babe, let's go to the little person. Let's go. Babe, you're coming.
Yeah.
Let's go, babe. Baby, you're coming.
This would be a series just playing as a dinosaur walking during a virus.
Come on, babe.
Oh,
Babe, let's go.
Oh god, no!
All right, babe. Onward!
I'm freezing. I gotta go to bed.
I haven't even started playing with the planes yet. They going?
Do you want to grab the balls?
I want to go with them.
Okay, go.
See you later. I want to come back and do a video on those planes. You guys going for a walk? Oh no, the old lady's going. I'm going with you guys. We're going on a walk right now with the dinosaur. Hey.
Hello.
Hey. Someone over there. Look how they're in love.
How's the weather? Don't fall, that's all I ask.
Oh no, there's kids at the park.
What?
There's people at the park, look. They're over there.
Go the other way, though.
They're going the other way, we need to follow them.
Just a random
Am I hiding?
dinosaur. Love it.
Oh, they're not even going to the park, they're walking over there. I guess we're gonna take a walk in the neighborhood, see if we can get reactions. I think there's a truck coming. Oh no, it's turning. Wait, behind you, there it is. That way.
I hate it.
They're recording too, and I'm vlogging over here. They were recording that. That was awesome. They were recording the whole thing. Oh, there's someone over there. There's someone over there.
Where?
Over there at the door of that. That guy was just like, yeah. It's so funny being a dinosaur. You can just do whatever you want. You can go in the Walmart shop.
What?
You can go in the Walmart and shop with that thing. Imagine seeing a dinosaur go inside a Walmart.
Now, which way? Park or?
I don't know.
Turn around.
Let's go to the park. We should go to the park and then
We
back
should
that
go
way.
back that way.
What?
We'll turn around after.
See, I can't get in trouble. For social distance. Oh, we should all get one and go for. All just like raptors and go for a walk.
Oh, we got a kid.
Friendly.
There's nobody at the park.
Should we turn around?
I think we should turn around. Unless you want to keep walking that way. Oh, those people are watching. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Those kids are coming over here, I think.
What?
Only you were dressed like a dinosaur.
I'm embracing it.
This is hilarious. This is good media. Oh God. Car coming, there's a car coming behind us.
Tail by a tail.
Oh no, they're turning away. Let's go all the way this way and then we'll turn around. My tablet should die.
I was gonna say there's a lot of people down here.
What?
Alright, that's gonna be it for this part. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. I'll see you guys in the next one.